Friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. I'm a trainer. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the Titan company's old profits. For example, Titan started in 1984 and then started in Chennai. It was promoted by Tata Group and Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation. Initially started as watch manufacturing company, later diversified into jewelry, eyewear, fragrances, sarees. If you take the Indian scenario, Titan is the biggest watch manufacturing company. If you take the international scenario, Titan is the fifth largest watch manufacturing company in the whole world. It has got more than 1,800 stores in more than 50 different countries. The IPO of Titan came out in the year 1994 with a face value of rupees 10. And then if you look at the shareholding ratio, promoters still hold 53% of the shares of Titan. Foreign institutional investors hold 18%. Domestic institutional investors hold 14%. Others, like me and you, retail investors, are holding about 15% of the shareholding of Titan. If you look at the revenues that are coming in Titan, let me clearly tell you, the highest revenue of 82% come from jewelry, watches 12%, eyewear 3%, others 3%, total constitutes so 100%. Sometimes some people come and tell me, Dr. Bharath Chandra, Titan is under loss. I ask him how? He'll tell me, sir, 9 years back, Titan was quoting 4,000. 9 years later, today, it is in the range of 1,000 rupees. Is he right or wrong? We have to analyze. This is the problem with people who don't understand that there's something called stock split and there is something called bonus shares. If you look at the Titan history, Titan in the year 2011 came out with a split 10:1. That means 10 rupee shares suddenly became 1 rupee, and whoever was having 100 shares, suddenly it became 1,000 shares held. Then in the same date, Titan announced for a bonus, and that was 1:1. Whoever had 1,000 shares, suddenly it becomes 2,000 shares. Person who was owning only 100 shares now suddenly starts owning 2,000 shares. And then if you look at the past history, in the year 2000, January 3, Titan was quoting 7 rupees 79 paisa. Today it is quoting 1,041. If you take the whole years, if you take it average, it comes to CAGR of 26.9%. That means every year Titan has given a profit of 26.9% for the investor. And the lifetime high is 1,390. One more statistics I'm giving you. If you had invested 10,000 rupees January 3, 2000, in the year 2000, today the same 10,000 would have become 13.36 lakhs, and that is the great news. If you had told me 10,000 was a big amount in the year 2000, and then I will tell you, you can invest probably 1,000 rupees a month as an SIP in Titan from January 2000. Today you would have had your shares worth about crores and crores. I can't even calculate that amount of money you would have got. And then share price in July 2016, 4 years back, was 410. Today it is quoting 1,041. In the last 4 years, Titan has multiplied by 2.5 times. That is the greatest thing. Apart from that, Titan has given very handsome dividends across the years. Whether to invest in Titan in the future, you have to do fundamental analysis, technical analysis, understand about stock market, then you can venture into investing into Titan. My dear friends, if this information is good for you, you liked it, please press the like button. Then if you are not subscribed to our channel, please press subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you get the notification. Also, if you think this information is good, so for some of your friends, please share it to all your friends so that let them understand whether the stock market is profitable or it is a losing venture. It was great seeing all of you. My dear friends, this is Dr. Bharath Chandra. We conduct workshops on stock market. It is time that we take keen interest in stock market. Namaste.